Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you will be fine. Today our lesson is masculine and feminine. Children, masculine are used for men, boys and male animals, and feminine are used for women, girls and female animals. Like father, mother. Father is a masculine noun and mother is a feminine noun. Father, mother. Brother, sister. Brother, sister. Brother is a masculine noun. Sister is a feminine noun. Brother, sister. Man, woman. Man, woman. Man is a masculine noun. Woman is a feminine noun. Man, woman. Boy, girl. Boy, girl. Boy is a masculine noun. Girl is a feminine noun. Boy, girl. Now these are animal gender. Bull, cow. Bull, cow. Bull is a masculine noun and cow is a feminine noun. Lion, lioness. Lion, lioness. Lion, lioness. Lion is a masculine noun and lioness is a feminine noun. Cock, hen. Cock, hen. Cock is a masculine noun. Hen is a feminine noun. Horse, mare. Horse, mare. Horse is a masculine noun. Mare is a feminine noun. Horse, mare. Tiger, tigress. Tiger, tigress. Tiger is a masculine noun. Tigress is a feminine noun. Tiger, tigress. Okay children, this is your English copy. Now we have to write masculine and feminine in this copy. On the new page, draw a center line and write the heading masculine and feminine. Now we start number 1. 1 is father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. Mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. As you know, the masculine of father is mother. This is feminine. Next is brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother is a masculine and the feminine of brother is sister. S-I-S-T-E-R. Sister. Number 3 is men. M-A-N. Men. Men. Woman. W-A-O-M-A-N. Woman. Man is a masculine and feminine is a woman. Number 4. 4 is boy. B-O-Y. Boy. The feminine of boy is girl. G-I-R-L. Girl. Number 5 is, now we come on the animal's gender. Number 5 is lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Lioness. The feminine of a lion is lioness. L-I-O-N-E-S-S. Lioness. Number 6 is tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. The feminine of a tiger is tigress. T-I-G-R-E-S-S. Tigress. Number 7 is bull. B-U-double-L. Bull. The feminine of a bull is cow. C-O-W, cow. Number 8 is horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. The masculine is horse and the feminine is mare. M-A-R-E, mare. Number 9 is cock. C-O-C-K, cock. And the feminine of a cock is hen. H-E-N, hen. Now children, we repeat it again. Father, mother. Father, mother. Brother, sister. Brother, sister. Man, woman. Man, woman. Boy, girl. Boy, girl. Lion, lioness. Lion, lioness. Tiger, tigress. Tiger, tigress. Bull, cow. Bull, cow. Horse, mare. Horse, mare. Cock, hen. Cock, hen. Children, I hope you will understand these masculine and feminine. So you will have to done this work at home in the guidance of parents. Take care. Allah Hafiz.